Hi submarine friends. So the project now is steering the submarine. So there's a rudder in the back and it's driven by this hydraulic motor. So what I did to make this motor work at the depth the submarine is going to go, I machined a mounting plate that's over thickness, and I made it over thickness so that I could machine an O-ring groove on the inside of this that this smooth shaft can marry up to. So there's a 1/8 by 1 inch O-ring inside here. That should seal it just fine. And then I put a gasket between the pump body and this mounting plate. Piece of cake, should work just fine. So this mounts right here. So I have to cut out a plate to fit here, drill it to accept this. This sits in this way, just like so. No, actually it sits this way so the hydraulic fittings are accessible. Don't you hate it when engineers make things inaccessible and we complain about it, so we shouldn't do it? So this sits here, 90-degree fitting, hose goes up and over, and then it attaches right here to the bulkhead. So that should work really well. And then inside the submarine is a 4 gallon per minute gear pump. The only reason it's 4 gallon per minute is because I have the pump on the shelf. So what I do is I mount the pump inside with a 2-spool valve. One spool is for the dive planes and the other spool is for the steering. I just lock one in position and it just stays on steering mode. And so it's mounted so that the steering is actuated this way. So I'm sitting in the pilot seat and I actuate it this way. That's how it worked in my submarine Necton Gamma. Fantastic, super comfortable, super responsive. I really like that. So if I ever want to make it electric steering, all I have to do is add a windshield wiper motor to it and it's electric. So I think it's a nice, simple, easy system to build and reliable. So that's what we're working on today. Ciao.